Ever wondered what exactly those vegetable oils in your pantry are or why everyone talks about seed oils? Today, we're demystifying them for you. Simply put, seed oils are fats extracted from, you guessed it, seeds. Think sunflower, canola, soybean, and corn. They're usually made by crushing the seeds, then heating them, often using chemical solvents like hexane to extract the oil, followed by refining, bleaching, and deodorizing to create a neutral-tasting product. You'll find them everywhere: canola oil, sunflower oil, soybean oil, corn oil, safflower, cottonseed, and grapeseed oil, hiding in everything from salad dressings and snacks to baked goods and fried foods. So, why are they so popular? Well, they're incredibly cost-effective to produce, have a long shelf life, and are incredibly versatile for cooking and food manufacturing. And that, in a nutshell, is what seed oils are: a common, processed fat found in countless everyday foods. Subscribe to discover more fun,